Hey guys, it's Jason here with MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. And today I'm standing in front of a like new condition 2024 Yamaha 255 fish. Come on, I'm gonna show you a couple cool things about this boat that I really like. Hi guys, as you can see, I'm on board the 2024 Yamaha fish, and this is huge. It's actually one of my favorite spots in it. It comes with a Minn Kota Instinct trolling motor. It'll keep you on the fish all day long, and it's very powerful. Another thing I really enjoy about this boat are the clear live wells. So you fishermen out there, whether you're using this as bait or to count the fish that you catch, this is a pretty cool feature. It holds a lot of fish inside of there, guys. And last but not least is this Yamaha helm. This is a 25-foot boat, so the joystick that this boat comes with makes it ease of control. Not to mention the touchscreen fish finder GPS by Simrad. It's got nice glass window for protection here. And of course, one of my favorite things about the boat is the fiberglass hardtop. For more information on this pre-owned 2024 Yamaha 255 fish, my name is Jason here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Go ahead and reach out to me, and I'm glad to give you a walkthrough on the boat. Thank you.